This is the basement. We'll need some taping for here. Drywall to go in through here. Drywall here. Behind there, there's a door and a door for 2 units. So first unit, here is a bathroom. Here is a wall. A closet right here. Under the stairs, which will also need drywall to be done. I'm gonna frame this better so it's easier to do. Living area, which will need drywall. Bedroom. Closet. So 1 bedroom, closet number 1, closet number 2, under the stairs storage, and living area. Bathroom is here. Shower is going to go there, so I'm going to have cement boards on these 2 corners. For the unit number 2, there's going to be a closet here. Bathroom here, same idea. Drywall for the utility room on the outside. Living area. And this is the closet for the bedroom and the bedroom itself. All this insulation will be gone. And the bulkheads right here, 1 bulkhead. This bulkhead goes all the way across. 1 more bulkhead behind this here. So bulkhead for that small bulkhead there. And then you see the bulkhead goes across to the other side. All right, so all the blocking pieces are now in. Okay, so the cement boards are gonna go where the shower is, right here. It's got a 3-foot wide length. Okay, so we've added extra blocking pieces. I know it looks terrible, but it works because it's gonna be super sturdy so that the cement boards can attach to it and then it can be joined up with the regular drywall over here. We've also measured where the vanity can be bolted in. So we've added an extra board there so that we can fasten the vanity to the wall easier, all right? Similarly with all the corners, make sure there's pieces so that the drywall can be screwed into it. Oh, this is already there. This for the other side. So when drywall comes, they have somewhere to screw it into. Okay, so that's been done for both sides. Okay. So same idea here. Things were in the way, so I couldn't exactly do it pretty. Okay, so it just looks terrible, but it should work. So this is more so a video actually for myself, so that when I tell the drywallers to come in, hey, watch out for these spots. This is where you're gonna screw the drywalls into. Okay, same thing on this side. Blocking piece there, blocking pieces there. Okay, same thing right there. There's a blocking piece for the vanity when it comes in. And go back to the other side so that you remember where the blocking pieces should be. So I'm not sure if you can see this, but well, you can definitely see this now, but this is supposed to be the door, all right? When the framers came in to frame, they forgot to frame this part, okay? So what's supposed to go above the doorway is the drywall, right? So the drywall is supposed to come across. So if they had put pieces of wood here for the drywallers to come and install a piece of drywall, then the tapers can tape all across it so that it looks smooth, like how that would look, right? But because the framers forgot, it's okay. We just put up the pieces of 2x4 behind it, and then we'll cut the piece of drywall and fit it just so it looks on the other side like this. Then now we can tape it and make it look smooth. To show you a comparison on the other side, over here is the other doorway, right? So you see how there's a piece of drywall on top? That's because whoever did the framing now on this side, the same framers, they put an extra piece of wood so that the drywallers know to put the drywall on top, which the tapers then know to tape over it and make it smooth. Okay, so honest mistake, probably happens all the time. See, in all these other doorways, they did it properly. It was just, they forgot this one, which I probably should have caught, and the drywall drywaller probably should have caught, and the plaster guy probably should have caught, but obviously they didn't. No one caught it until we put the door up and realized there's a huge gap up top. So now, here we are. Update on the progress. The drywall is now up. Plaster is going on. Taping and the plastering guys coming in. Prior to getting the shower base in, we need to flatten the floor first because the cement we laid down before was a little uneven. So we're going to level the floor with some self-leveling compound. The shower base is going to sit right there. And then after shower base goes in, we can put up the cement boards. And then what the taper can do is do a thin layer to tape the joint between the cement board that's going to go there and the drywall. Right? And before that, what we also have to do is make sure we install the shower handle, shower fixture, so that it's easier when the cement board's out of the wall, or off of the wall.